Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of June 1st to the 7th and using the Creme kit from Sadie stickers. I am so excited for all the spreads that I'm going to be doing for the month of June. June is my birthday month and I'm one of those crazy sticker ladies who really enjoys very carefully selecting every single kit that I'm going to use for the entire month that is my birthday month. And so they're not all birthday themed, but each kit that I pick for my birthday month, I want it to be something that is kind of very expressive of me and my personality and something that I think is just really beautiful and special. It's kind of the thought process that goes into selecting the kits for this month for me. So really excited about the first kit that I'm using. This one's from Sadie Stickers. It has the most adorable designs on it. I love all the cupcakes in the tea set. It's just so beautiful. And there's 2 double full boxes on this kit, which I'm not exactly sure how I want to lay out my full boxes yet, but I'm excited about that because it's been, I don't think I've used a kit with 2 sets of double full boxes at all this year. So I'm really excited about that. This kit has gold foil on it. Make sure you guys can see that. And on the front page, we have our 9 full boxes. There's also some page flags tucked up at the top here. On this page, we have the bottom washi, and we've got date covers, some label stickers, and then some foiled washi strips here. Lots of foiled headers, layering icons, page flags, appointment labels, half boxes, quarter boxes, and then on this page, tons of functional stickers. We've got lots of half boxes, appointment labels, quarter boxes, bill-due stickers, habit trackers, your Monday through Sunday tracker, and then some half and full box checklists. So if you would like to see how this spread comes together, please just keep watching. Starting by putting down the base of my spread, and I thought I'd spare you watching me do my extensive whiteout session in which I try to remove all of the lines in the bottom and then that stupid hexagon in the sidebar so that I can put down the bottom washi without the lines showing through. The second strip of this bottom washi with all the cupcakes is the most adorable thing ever and absolutely made me want a cupcake all week long. Then I am putting down date dots from Rose Colored Days onto the date covers. And once I have those down, I'll start building my sidebar. I started with an item I have not hauled yet, and I'm so excited about it. I could not wait. These are the Bow Box samplers from The Giving Girl, and they're so cute. I loved the original Bow Boxes, and now she's got like different shapes of them. I saw them, I had to have it. As soon as I got it in, I was like, this is going on a spread immediately. So I'm starting by putting down one of the bow boxes from The Giving Girl for where I'm going to put the month in the sidebar. I added this little cup. It's actually like a coffee cup, but I thought it went with the teacup theme of this kit. And that's from Crafts by Towie. The June script is from Rose Colored Days. And that flourish also came off of a sampler from Crafts by Towie from one of her $2 Tuesdays. Is that not the cutest flourish ever? I seriously need some more of those. Then I put down the full box that says eat desserts first, and then I'm going to start building my different sections of my sidebar. I like to track my dinners, and because I'm left-handed and my hand kind of falls off the side of the page on that side, I try to put the dinners section, which covers my Monday through Sunday tracker, on the top or like middle part of my sidebar because it makes it easier to write. The higher up than it on the page it is, if I have it like down at the bottom, it makes it really difficult to write on it. And so I'll do that first and then put down my habit trackers because all I have to do is just like check those off. I don't have to actually write on them. And so I'm using the 2 habit trackers that came in the kit and separating them with these adorable heart dividers from Netty Designs. I am obsessed with this divider and I keep using it in gold. I like literally need to get another sheet, and I just bought another sheet, but now I need another one again because I go through these pretty quickly because it's one of my favorite dividers to use and I use it a lot. So once I've got those habit trackers down, I'm going to add my scripts, which are from Sticky Soft Designs, and I love these custom scripts. I really like when the scripts in my sidebar match, and so I picked up a bunch from Sticky Soft Designs the last time she was having a sale, and they are awesome. So I'll be tracking my workouts and then my skincare for the week. Moving on to putting down my full boxes, I decided, and this is kind of rare for me because typically I just kind of scatter my full boxes and place them down kind of as I go, but I had an idea of how I wanted them placed and decided I wanted them to like be placed in a pattern for this week, especially since I had the 2 double full boxes. So I started with those on Monday and Tuesday, and then Saturday and Sunday, and then decided to put the 2 boxes that had like pink in them up at the top on Wednesday and Friday, and then the cutest box of them all, which was really hard to say because there were so many adorable boxes in this kit, but these stacked teacups with the little flower on them had to go on Thursday, which is generally where I place my favorite box. Then I'm placing down a header at the top of Monday, and the half box, I layered this little rose paper clip from Crafts by Towie, and then the Hello June is from Artbox Stickers, because it was the first of the month, which is really cool for the first to actually be on a Monday. So hello June. And then I put down one of those dividers from Netty Designs and a laptop from Crafts by Towie. I like to mark what week of work from home that it is because I've been keeping track of that in my planner. At some point, perhaps I will want to look back and know what week of working from home it was. So I'll have a record. Then I put down a little book stack, and that icon was also from Crafts by Towie. I had to finish up some things. This was like my last day of this class, and so I had to do some things for school. I got an update on my vacation time from work, which I marked in that quarter box, and the work script is from Netty Designs. And then turning in my final paper, I marked with a third box from Panda Bird Design, and I was so relieved once I turned that in and so happy. I am currently in grad school working towards my MBA, and I only have one more class left, so I'm using this circle box from Planning Like a Pro to actually mark that I was starting a little bit of a short break from school. I'm going to be off for 3 weeks, and then at the end of June I will start my very last class, which I'm so hyped about, and underneath that circle box, I used a flourish from Honey Inked. The little pillow and kind of like relaxing icon that I layered on that circle is from Crafts by Towie, by the way. Underneath there, I'm putting a half box from the kit. Again, that work script is from Netty Designs, and that cute little laptop is from the Pretty Pink Co. This was my first time getting a chance to use some of her icons, and I really love them. But we had a work from home survey at my job that they wanted us to give them feedback on how we're liking working from home. If you've watched any of my previous videos in which I have talked about it, yeah, I'm not loving it. I'm ready to go back to the office. It's not my thing. So that was fun. And then I marked with a YouTube play button from Sweet Bella XOXO that I was binge watching. I watch these YouTubers, their channel's called Trev and Chels, and they take like really fun vacations, and I enjoy watching them because it's kind of just like escapism to just watch that. And I think I've kind of like talked past it at this point. At the bottom of Tuesday, I finished off by using a icon from the Pretty Pink Co to mark my nighttime skincare. On to Wednesday, let me get caught up here. I'm starting, of course, by marking my Instagram midweek post, which I usually do on Wednesdays. I share something from my planner on Instagram on Wednesdays. Then in that half box with the YouTube script from Artbox Stickers, and then this cute little planner from Crafts by Towie. I was working on my filming schedule. I thought I'd take advantage of my couple weeks off of school and try to put up some fun content on my channel. So I was doing some brainstorming and figuring out what I wanted to film for you guys. And then on putting down this little phone icon, also from Crafts by Towie, to mark FaceTime and my parents. And then underneath there, I'm going to use a TV from Artbox Stickers to mark that I was going to watch a masterclass, a live masterclass with Simone Biles, but that got canceled. Because of everything that was happening this week. I pre-plan in my Erin Condren Planner, and so I had done all of this like up to Wednesday on Sunday, which is why I also don't have like the Black Lives Matter and the blackout that happened on Tuesday. I don't have it marked in this planner, but I do have it in my B6 planner if you saw that spread, and why that masterclass, which got canceled, is in there. Let's move on to Thursday, or we're on the second half of the week, in which I'm placing down the headers at the top, which, by the way, to finish off Wednesday, I used that little sports bra icon was from the Pretty Pink Co. On to Thursday, I am starting off with another one of those boxes from the Giving Girl and layering a pen icon from Crafts by Towie. I love that pen icon. I think it's so versatile for like anything work or crafting related, or planner related. It was such a multifunctional icon. But in this case, I used it for work related, and the email script is from Letters to Apollo. Put down a page flag from the kit and a shopping cart to note that we'd ordered some groceries. And I keep saying we every time I talk about ordering groceries as though I have anything to do with it. My husband has totally taken over that task since we've been doing this whole work from home thing, and I have not fought him over it because I don't really want to do it. And so, food keeps showing up at my house, and that makes me feel really glad because I can eat. But the process of actually ordering things is more so me making a list and telling him, yeah, I'd like this food, please. Thanks. Then I put down a half box. I'm adding a tripod from Artbox Stickers, and then I'm going to add a hexagon from the kit and layer the words pre-plan on top of that, and that's from Rose Color Days. And just marking that I was doing some filming and editing. I was working on my spreads for this week, and so again, I was working in my B6 planner and then also in this Erin Condren Planner, planning and filming and editing both of those spreads for this week. Underneath there, I'm putting down a movie night icon, and technically it wasn't night, it was more so afternoon, but potato. I watched Iron Man 2, which, okay, since I've been home, I've been seeing a lot of people marking that they've been watching Disney Plus and just getting into the Marvel movies since being at home, and oh my gosh, how are we friends? And to my friends who know they've just started watching these Marvel movies since being at home, yeah, I'm giving several side eyes because the Marvel movies were amazing and everyone should have been seeing them in theaters, says the Marvel addict. Okay, I'm done yelling at my friends. I love you guys. Anywho, underneath there, I finished off Thursday by marking a bar workout routine that I did on YouTube with those ballet icons from Crafts by Towie, and that is how I finished up my Thursday. I will put a link to the ballet bar workouts that I do in the description box because I get questions every time I talk about my bar workouts. They're amazing. It's not easy. Like, you don't enjoy it while you're doing it, but afterwards you're like, oh, the results are great. On to Friday. Started by using a quarter box, and then that work icon is from the GP Studio. Took some time to do some planning on Friday, which was really helpful. It had been such an emotionally draining week, and so it was really nice to just sit down, relax, not think, and just play with stickers and enjoy this hobby that brings me so much joy. And so I marked that with another one of those circle boxes from Planning Like a Pro, and then underneath there marked cooking dinner with a label sticker from the kit, and then that little cooking pot is from the Pretty Pink Co. I marked that I wanted to straighten my hair on Friday evening, and I'm using a flat iron icon from Crafts by Towie, and the page flag is of course from the kit. I'm going to layer a hexagon on there because I wanted to put down that flat iron, and the bow underneath that was already on the page flag was like right next to the bow that was on the icon. I've had this discussion about the fact that there are bows on like everything in the planner community, and we always end up with like bows on top of bows on top of bows. But anywho, it worked out. Little hexagon, fixed it right up. Then I'm going to cut down a page flag so that it fits into this space and place down another one of those self-care icons from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark my nighttime skincare routine. And I'm so happy. I've been using the Neutrogena Rapid Clear Acne Face products, and they have been working so well on my face, which is fantastic because those blemishes were not cool. Not cool at all. On to Saturday, I'm working on a project that I wanted to get done this summer. So I had to do some organizing and getting things going for that. So I started by marking that with a quarter box. Then to mark painting my nails, I'm going to place one of these little arrow icons from the kit in the center of the column and layer a nail polish bottle from Artbox Stickers on top of that, which is pretty different for the way that I usually mark painting my nails. So I had a lot of fun doing that. Now I'm going to add another one of those Bowstrung boxes from the Given Girl. As you can see, I could not get away from using those boxes. They were way too adorable and complemented this kit so perfectly. And I thought it was perfect because I wanted to mark something really special here. I had done a collab plan with me with Shani of Planning Like a Pro, and I absolutely wanted an adorable box to use to mark that in this spread. And so I used one of the Bowstrung boxes because I'm obsessed with them and layered this little planner stack icon from Crafts by Towie, and then the YouTube script is from Artbox Stickers. And if you have not seen that collab with Shani, it's the video right before this one. I'll have it linked in the description box, as well as Shani's video, because her video was so gorgeous. I love her planning. If you haven't checked out her channel, you absolutely need to. Her spreads are amazing, and she's just so much fun to watch. And so I will have that linked in the description box. Finishing up the day on Saturday, I used a quarter box and that church icon along with a honey inked flourish to mark praying for the protesters. There was so much going on, and quite frankly, I saw some really disturbing videos of very peaceful protesters being assaulted by the police. There was like a 70-year-old man who, like, they pushed him over and he hit his head on the concrete. Like, there were just some devastating visuals and videos and things that came out of these protests. And so, I had to stop and pray for the people who are out there fighting for rights, and praying for their safety. On to Sunday. I'm going to come back to that sleeping in because I'm actually going to change that. I put down a bow checklist box to mark a bunch of chores I wanted to get done on Sunday. And then I added this little broom sweeping icon from the Pretty Pink Co. because it was just adorable. But having those two boxes there, it felt really, really heavy and boxy at the top. And so I'm putting down this little YouTube play button to mark a YouTube binge. And then I'm going to go back up to the top and just lift up that half box because it just felt like it was just way too much going on there. And so I thought I could mark it without the box, give myself a little bit of white space to work with, and it would help balance out the look of that. So I'm putting down that pajama set icon from Crafts by Towie, and another one of those heart dividers from Nettie Designs. I told you I use them a bunch because they're awesome. And then just marking in that I slept in and had a very nice lazy Sunday morning, which was fantastic. And then to end off the day on Sunday, my husband made dinner and we sat down and watched Charlie's Angels. I bought it on Amazon Prime because I really loved that movie when I saw it in theaters, and just remembered that, like, I left it feeling very happy, and I wanted something light and fun to end my week because it had been such an emotionally draining week. I needed something just really light and fun, and it did. It was awesome. It was a great way to end my day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. Talk to you soon. Bye.